Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the fan mode on a Honeywell thermostat. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into these easy instructions in this tutorial video. So essentially, there are different fan modes on your Honeywell thermostat, and to change the fan mode, it's really easy to do. There's some buttons down here, okay? There's one button over here that says fan. I'm gonna press it to illuminate the screen, and now I'm gonna press the fan mode, and it will change the options. So obviously I see it, but you can see that we have fan auto. I have it selected on fan auto right now. So fan auto is selected for me. Now I'm gonna press it again to illuminate it, and when I press fan, I can cycle between fan auto, fan on, fan auto, fan on, okay? I'm gonna leave it on fan auto, but you might have additional options. Fan auto basically means the fan will turn on when the air system has been activated. So if your heat system has been activated or your cool system has been activated, the fan will only turn on then, okay? If on the other hand you have it on fan on, that means that the fan will be on constantly. The fan's gonna run 24/7. It's better for air circulation, but it does use up your furnace filters a lot faster because your fan is constantly running, okay? But you do get cleaner air throughout the home. And in addition, there might be an additional option, which is going to be circulate, which is going to be the fan will run about a third of the time, give or take. It works out to being about a third of the time. I don't have that option over here, but some will have that option as well. And that's how to change a fan mode. Now, when you want to choose a mode, so I should have said this before, I'm going to press fan, and when you want to choose a mode, you just leave it, and it will select it. I'm going to leave it at fan auto, and I just leave it there, and it was selected. If I had left it on fan on, it would have changed to fan on. But I left it on fan auto, so I'm selecting fan auto. And that's basically it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.